Good morning, candidates. April 2021. April 2021 persons in news from 31. 31. Kapil Dev, Sachin Tendulkar and Virat Kohli. Kapil Dev, Sachin Tendulkar and Virat Kohli are featured in Wisden's Cricketers Almanacs. Ben Stokes, England all-rounder, is the Cricketer of the Year. Wisden Cricketers Almanacs is known as Bible of Cricket and founded in England, that is London, England. Kapil Dev, Sachin Tendulkar, Virat Kohli featured in Wisden Cricketers Almanacs. Suman Chakrabarti to get G.D. Birla Award for Scientific Research. G.D. Birla Award is for eminent Indian scientists below the age of 50 of their outstanding contribution in the field of science or technology with the cash prize of rupees 5 lakhs. Yusuf Ali Ma, Indian origin businessman, is honored with UAE's top civilian award. Yusuf Ali MA is the chairman and managing director of Abu Dhabi based Lulu Group that operates a chain of hypermarkets and retail companies. Ayushman Khurrana is appointed as the brand ambassador of Techno. Techno is a global smartphone brand. Bill Nelson is the next NASA administrator and he was appointed by US President Joe Biden. Bill Nelson is a former astronaut. 36. Heath Streak. Former Zimbabwe captain Heath Streak is banned by ICC for 8 years under corruption charges. He was charged with leaking the team's internal information mainly during 2018 tri-series between Zimbabwe, Bangladesh and Sri Lanka. Soliha Shabir, youngest and first author from Jammu and Kashmir, has created the life of Habba cartoons poetry. She has created a world record in the age of 22 years. Duty Chand, Odisha sprinter Duty Chand conferred with Chhattisgarh Veerni Awards. This award, instituted by the Chhattisgarh state government, recognizes the contribution of Indian women in different fields, including sports. This was presented by Chhattisgarh Chief Minister Bhupesh Baghel. 39. Alfred Wainaho and Jeffrey David Ullman. Alfred Wainago, Jeffrey David Ullman bagged 2020 ACMAM Turing Award. Turing Award is also conferred to as the Nobel Prize of Computing. Alfred Wainaho is the Lawrence Gusman's Professor Emeritus of Computer Science at Columbia University. Jeffrey David Ullman is the Stanford W. Asherman Professor Emeritus of Computer Science at Stanford University. Mr. T.V. Somanathan is appointed as Finance Secretary, succeeding Ajay Bhushan Pandey. T.V. Somanathan was appointed as the Secretary of Department of Expenditure in the Finance Ministry in December 2019. Now he has become Finance Secretary. Amitabh Chaudhary is reappointment as Managing Director of CEO of Axis Bank, headquarters of Axis Bank, Mumbai, Maharashtra. Kriti Karant. Kriti Karant gets the Wild Innovator Award. She is the first Indian and Asian woman to receive the award. Dr. Kriti Karant, Chief Conservation Scientist at Bangalore based Center for Wildlife Studies, CWS. Miguel Miguel Diaz-Canel is the new president of Cuba after succeeding Raul Castro. Miguel Diaz-Canel is the first non-Castro secretary of the Communist Party in Cuba. The capital of Cuba is Havana and the currency is Cuban peso. 44. Chloe Zhao. Chloe Zhao wins the Best Director in Oscar 2021. Nominations of the Oscar 2021 were announced by Priyanka Chopra and Nick Jonas. 45. Shri Anthony Hopkins. Anthony Hopkins, 83-year-old, won the Oscar Award for the Best Actor for the film The Father. Another name for the Oscar Award is the Academy Award. This is the 93rd Academy Awards. Frances McDormand, American actress and producer Frances McDormand, won the Best Actress Award for the film Nomadland. Oscar Award is mainly to honor people in film industry based on their outstanding performance. Love Jane Hull Athlone. Love Jane Hull Athlone was awarded the Václav Havel Human Rights Prize. She is a Saudi activist. She was awarded by Parliamentary Assembly of the Council of Europe, PACE, Parliamentary Assembly of Council of Europe. This prize is a top European human rights prize mainly given in recognition for women's rights activists. Love Jane had a fight for women's rights in Saudi, including ending a ban on women driving. Ajay Seth is appointed as the non-official director of Central Board of RBI. He succeeds Tarun Bajaj. There will be 10 non-official directors from various fields like agriculture, legal, trade, etc. These directors of RBI are nominated by the Government of India. Ravindra Jadeja, 49, Indian cricketer, is appointed as brand ambassador of ASICS, Japanese sports brand. ASICS manufactures sporting gear for the running category. Tiger Shroff is also the brand ambassador of ASICS. Arun Raste is appointed as the new managing director and CEO of National Commodity and Derivatives Exchange Limited, succeeding Vijay Kumar. NCDEX, National Commodity and Derivatives Exchange Limited. Arun Raste currently works as Executive Director in National Dairy Development Board. Nikol Pashinyan, Armenian Prime Minister Nikol Pashinyan resigned due to criticism over him for the way he handled conflict in Nagorno-Karabakh region of Azerbaijan. The capital of Armenia is Yerevan and currency Armenian dram. Rafael Nadal wins the 2021 Barcelona Open. This is his 12th Barcelona Open title and he belongs to Spain. Nadal defeated Stefanos Tsitsipas of Greece. 53. Kadir Ahmad Khan, United Arab Emirates cricketer, is banned by International Cricket Council for 5 years due to corruption. Kadir Ahmad Khan of UAE. Washington Sundar and Devdutt Padikkal. Washington Sundar and Devdutt Padikkal are the brand ambassadors of Puma India. Puma is an official kit partner of Royal Challengers Bangalore in the IPL 2021 season. This season has since been abandoned in between. 55. Kim Boo-kyum. Kim Boo-kyum is the new Prime Minister of South Korea. He will replace Prime Minister Chung Se-kyung. The capital of South Korea is Seoul. The currency is South Korean won. WON. 56. Murli Natarajan is reappointed as MD and CEO of DCB Bank DCB Bank RBL, and I think it is has taken over our Lakshmi Vilas Bank. Mumbai, Maharashtra headquarters. Ulysses Correa e Silva, Cape Verde's Prime Minister Ulysses Correa Silva has won parliamentary election with his party Movement of Democracy. Capital of Cape Verde is Praia, Praia. Currency is Cape Verdean Escudo. 58. Muhammad Idris Deby Itno is the new president of Chad. The capital of Chad is N'Djamena and currency is Central African CFA franc. He died one day after his victory due to clash between rebellions. 59. Girish Chandra Murmu is appointed as the external auditor of the Organization for the Prohibition of Chemical Weapons. Girish Chandra Murmu is the Comptroller and Auditor General of India. The headquarters of OPCW, Organization for the Prohibition of Chemical Weapons, is in Hague, Netherlands. Vibha Harish. Vibha Harish is founder of Cosmix, featured in Forbes 30 Under 30 Asia 2021. Cosmix is a Bengaluru-based health supplement brand. Vibha Harish is 25 years old and founder of Cosmix. 61. Romana Sinha Sehgal. Romana Sinha Sehgal won the Nelson Mandela World Humanitarian Award 2021 for manufacturing innovative and functional green products by recycling varied materials and non-biodegradable materials. She is a software engineer turned entrepreneur from Hyderabad. Software engineer turned entrepreneur from Hyderabad, Romana Sinha Sehgal. Roberto Benigni won the Venice Film Festival Lifetime Achievement Award. He was awarded Golden Lion Award and he had an Italian director as well as actor. Priyanka Mohite becomes the first Indian woman to scale Mount Annapurna. She is from Maharashtra. Mount Annapurna, 8,091 meters and 10th highest mountain peak in the world. Annapurna is located in the Himalayas of Nepal. Priyanka Mohite. Rekha Menon becomes the first woman chairperson of NOSCOM, National Association of Software and Services Company. She succeeds UB Praveen Rao, and she was the vice chairman of NASCOM prior to this, named Rekha Menon. Atanu Chakraborty is the part-time chairman of HDFC Bank. He was appointed for the tenure of 3 years by RBI. Headquarters of HDFC in is Mumbai. Thank you. This is thanks to our bank exams today. Best wishes.